Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want longer, fuller, healthier eyelashes naturally? Well, you're in the right place. How I grew my eyelashes naturally in just 3 days. If you're tired of using mascaras or lash extensions, then this video is for you. Step 1. Remove makeup properly. Never sleep with mascara. Always remove eye makeup gently using micellar water or oil-based remover. Rubbing your eyes breaks lashes, so be soft and careful. Step 2. Clean lashes daily. Even if you don't wear makeup, your lashes collect dust and oil. Use plain water or gentle baby shampoo diluted with water to clean them 2 to 3 times a week. Step 3. Apply castor oil every night. This is a game changer. Use a clean spoolie or cotton swab to apply cold-pressed castor oil every night before bed. Just a little goes a long way. It thickens and strengthens your lashes naturally. Step 4. Vitamin E for repair. Once or twice a week, I apply vitamin E oil. It deeply nourishes and helps repair thin or falling lashes. Step 5. Aloe vera for natural curl. Aloe vera gel is amazing for natural curl, shine, and lash strength. I apply it in the morning using a clean mascara brush. It also works great under clear mascara. Step 6. Gentle eyelid massage. Once a day, I massage my lash line gently with clean fingers for 1 to 2 minutes. It increases blood flow and stimulates lash growth. Step 7. Healthy diet, healthy lashes. Lash growth starts from within. I make sure to include biotin-rich foods, proteins, and drink lots of water. Eggs, nuts, spinach, and lentils are amazing for hair and lash growth. Step 8. Be consistent and avoid harsh products. This step is the most important. Be patient and consistent. Avoid waterproof mascaras, lash curlers, and harsh glues. These things weaken your lashes over time. Here's a little bonus tip. Once a week, I use a mix of aloe vera plus castor oil plus a drop of green tea water as an overnight lash mask. It feels so soothing and works like magic. If you want me to make a full video on lash masks or brow growth routines, comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural beauty secrets and glow up tips.